After a long summer, Lantana still looks good in the fall. Today, Southern Gardening's at Truck Crop's branch station looking at their latest trial plants.
I really like Lantana in the fall of the year. Not only do they brighten the landscape, but they are literal butterfly and pollinator magnets. You may even get to enjoy a hummingbird grabbing a snack. Now let's look at a few newer varieties. Bloomify are a new type of Lantana that doesn't produce seed and will produce flowers all summer long. Bloomify Red features bright red flowers, and Bloomify Rose has soft pastel rose pink flowers. The plants remain neatly branched and reach about 14 inches tall and wide, which makes Bloomify Lantana perfect for mass planting. The breeders of Luscious Lemonade Lantana have done it again. The dark foliage of Luscious Royale Cosmo provides a great background for the clusters of magenta purple with orange-yellow flowers. The extreme heat tolerance makes it a winner in our Mississippi gardens. This medium-growing plant gets about 20 inches tall and 24 inches wide. Lucky Red Lantana has dark green foliage that provides a beautiful background for the bright yellow, orange, and red flower colors. Lucky stands up well to heat, which is great for our Mississippi gardens. The plants have an upright mounded habit, perfect for smaller gardens.
If you don't have any Lantana in your landscape, I hope I've given you some ideas. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.